Joshua. Hey. Monkey. What are you doing? Are you washing? Who's washing? Is Hannah washing? Is Hannah washing?
It's my look.
Joshua. Can you say Joshua washing? Aha. I want to hear you say your name. Who's washing?
Ma.
Yeah, I know. Can you say Joshua washing? No, say Joshua.
Joshua.
Good boy. Who's beside you? Is that Hannah?
No.
No. Don't put it in your mouth. That's Bill.
I'm brushing this out.
What about Hannah? Can you say Hannah? Yeah, I know that's Hannah. Can you say Hannah? No.
Oh, what?
All right.